One of our major emphases in Drupal Commerce development right now is improving the order management user experience. Drupal Commerce includes an order management backend where you can view, create, and edit orders or shopping carts as they are in progress. Previously, in Commerce 3.1 and earlier, in order to add items to an order, you first had to select an order item type and then search for the SKU that you wanted to add to the order. This doesn't really match the way that most people think about building an order. They usually just want to find the SKU and create the order item, trusting the system to pick the right order item type for that product variation. Thus, in 3.2.0, we actually shipped a new widget for order forms to use. Instead of using the inline entity form module, we now have an order items widget directly shipped in Commerce Core that replaces the previous system wholesale with a better user experience. If I go back to my order list and edit this order I began earlier, you can see that now I just have to find the product I want to add, and it's going to choose the right order item type and present the add form just like it used to for me, including letting me edit and remove items from the order. This is the first of many improvements you're going to see in subsequent releases of Commerce Core.